I think the biggest one is just very simple in data access, right? So they have data proliferated all throughout their organization. It sits in different systems, and users have to, currently they'll have to like get Excel files out of this system, get an Excel file out of that system. This field doesn't equal that field. So really it's bringing all the data together and making it simple for them to have access to it. That's 90% of the value we offer right up front, is just providing data to the business users in a usable format. So data access, number one, and data enrichment, number two. So once you have access to it, you're going to ask, well, wow, I have 7 of these same customers. How can I make them all one, right? And so we have data enrichment tools that allow you to clean up that data, kind of reshape it, reorganize it, deduplicate it, add new attributes, etc., that make the data better once it's all put together.